Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. Cottage cheese cutlets are crumbled cottage cheese mixed with potatoes and shaped into patties. These are crispy from outside and soft from inside. You can serve it as a snack or a starter recipe with ketchup or chutney. Great for iftar, perfect for school lunches. It's simple yet delicious. So let's go and see what we need for this recipe. So things we need for this recipe will be, I have some boiled and mashed potatoes. Then I have these cottage cheese crumbles. I bought the packaged one, which you can get from any grocery store. And these are the brick chunks. I have some salt and black pepper. Then I have some chopped onions. And then I'll be using some chopped green chilies, chopped cilantro, egg, and some breadcrumbs for coating. So these are all the ingredients. Let's go and make it happen. So first in the mixing bowl, add your boiled and mashed potatoes, then add your cottage cheese crumbles, chopped onion, salt and black pepper, some very finely chopped green chilies and chopped cilantro, and start mixing this mixture with the help of your hand until it's all combined and collected. Since this cottage cheese have little liquid in there, your mixture will be a little sticky, and that stickiness and that moisture will make your cutlets very soft from inside. But if you think it's a little harder for you to handle and shape, you can add a tablespoon to 2 tablespoon breadcrumbs in there. But my mixture was completely fine. It was holding its shape. So just let your mixture rest for at least 20 to 30 minutes. You can leave it on the counter or keep it in the fridge as well. Now take a handful of mixture and then shape it into a cutlet. You can do any shape. Today I prefer to do a oblong oval shape. So just roll your mixture into a smooth ball, then flatten it and then shape it and then smooth the edges. Now dip your cutlet into a beaten egg from both sides, and then cover your cutlet with the breadcrumbs. Cover all sides, and you can shape your cutlet again with the help of breadcrumbs, and then transfer this cutlet onto a plastic lined tray or a platter. And then repeat the same process with the rest of your potato mixture and make cutlets out of them. Now for frying, heat oil in a fry pan and then transfer your shaped cutlets into hot oil. Nothing needs to be cooked. Everything is fully cooked from inside. The purpose of frying is just to get a very nice golden color from outside. So when one side get that nice crispy golden top, just flip it and let it cook from other side as well. And then transfer them onto a platter which is lined with a piece of paper towel to absorb some excess oil. Now for freezing, I always prefer to freeze the potato based snacks after frying. So I transfer them into a plastic container in a single layer and then cover the lid, and I kept that container in the freezer until they were completely frozen. Then I labeled the bag and then transfer those cutlets into the bag, and then bag can stay in the freezer for up to 3 to 4 weeks. And whenever I need them again, I will put them on a cookie sheet and then throw them in the oven on 350 degrees until they are crispy from top again, and this process will not take more than 15 minutes. Bite into these crunchy golden brown cutlets which have a soft and tender filling to soothe your taste buds on your iftar table for your family and friends. And if you're trying at home, please don't forget to take a picture and tag me on Facebook, Twitter, or on Instagram with the hashtag Ramadan with morEwish. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. And please remember me and my family in your prayers. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.